Hey guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel. And in this tutorial, I am going to discuss about arrays. So what is an array? Array is a collection of similar data type. Suppose you having hundreds of data. Okay, so where you can collect that all those data, you can collect in array. So how we can write array in Kotlin? So first way we can write using var or val my array is equal to array of array of you can write your value, whatever value if you want. So first let me create one main function. In that I am going to create first a array 1. Okay, array is equal to array of you can create integer array. Okay, then here you can add no issue any number of values. Okay, now and another way is like we can use where a1 is equal to array of directly you can add. Okay, and then we can use, suppose we wanted to use string, then we can use array string. String is equal to array of, here you can typecast string a b comma bc comma cd comma. Okay, and again if you wanted to make both array as well string as well as integer, then for that array 2 is equal to array of, you can write 1, you can write a b c d comma some set of string, then you can write 1 comma 3 comma 5, like that also you can write. And if you wanted to use integer array, then a3 is equal to, directly you can use here typecast. 2 is typecast int array is equal to int array of 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma. Okay, like that we can use. In arrays we can set and as well as we can get that value. So suppose I am going to print this value. So how can I print ln? I am going to print a 0. So always array start from 0. This position is 0. For 1 position is 0, 2 position is 1, 3 is 2, and 3 is 3, 4 5 is 4, 6 5, 8 6, this one 9 and 10. Okay, so is start from 0. The position always start from 0. suppose you wanted to print this particular number, so for that you need to use 0 position, and in bracket always we are defining the position. This is my array, okay, array variable, and in that I am defining 0. I am going to print 0 value. So let me print this. So it got printed 1. Okay, here you can write and suppose this time you wanted to print array string, this from here to array string array string 2. 2 means 0 1 2. It should print CD. It got printed CD. So like that you can print, but this I mean you can print one only, one data. But if you wanted to print whole data one at a time, so for that you need to iterate the data. So you need to use for loop. Okay. And in between, suppose you wanted to add some data. So for that, what you can do it here, for adding data, you need to write here a dot set. So where at 0 I want to set 7. Okay, and then I am going to print a of 0. So here it should print 7, right? Because here I have added 0, but again I am changing here, setting at 0 7. So let me run and check what output is coming. 7 is coming here, see. And if you want to print whole value, then how you can print? You can use for loop, for then I in a. In the a you can print ln my list is I. So we'll get whole value from array 1, array a. Here, see, all the value got printed at position 7, first position 7, all value got printed. If I wanted to use a3, then this array I'm going to print. So here all the value got printed. If I wanted to use a2, all value got printed. The first string got printed, then all the integer got printed. Okay, we now I have defined all the size value here. Suppose I am commenting this thing. Comment. Suppose I have not defined the value here. Okay, I wanted to print some number, but I have not. In future you wanted to print that much number. Okay, so for that what we can do it here, we can take one array. Okay, in array what is type? Integer, int, and the size I am going to take 5, size 5, and and its 0 value will be there. So suppose now I am going to add some value. So a at one position is equal to 2, a position 2 is equal to 5. So like that I can add value and then I am going to print. Let me run what value I am getting. This value why I have given initial value, suppose I have given 5 size, but I have added only 2 value, so other place it will take 0 value. See, only position 0 I have not given any value, position 1 and I have given 2, and position 1 I have given 2, and position 2 I have given 5. So position 0 it was 0, position 1 it was 2, and position 2 it was 5, other place it was 0. So like that you can use. Okay, and if you wanted to add at position 0, so you can use. Okay, if you wanted to add whole value, then also it will use. See, now I have given size 5, but here up to 4 I can use, because 0 will be considered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total size is 5. Okay, now let me run and we'll check output. All the value got printed from 22, 5, all the here. Suppose if I am going to add one more value, what will happen now? Here it will give error, because see, array out of index array, index 5 out is born, because I have defined size here 5, but I am giving that till 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I need to comment this line. And now if you want to print all the array, you can print. Let me four 0 to 3. You wanted to print value from 0 to 3, means 1 to here, up to here. Okay, then for that it won't going to print 22. Okay, let me run. See, it has not printed 22, it printed value, this value up to 3 and 4. So here I can use array of I. Okay, better I can use it here, array of I. So I have given size up to 3, so it was printing that positions. Now it will print the positions value. So it printed positions value, this up to 33. I think you have understood all the array concept. If you have any doubt, please let me comment below. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel.